Efficient and error-free PCB assembly is crucial for modern electronics, making communication and robust design for manufacturability (DFM) practices. Successful PCB assembly relies on several key factors, from design for manufacturability (DFM) to clear communication ensuring easy and cost-effective manufacturing. Process visibility and collaborative planning are also essential, as they help to identify potential issues early in the process and avoid misunderstandings and delays. When selecting manufacturers, prioritize those who adhere to industry standards, offer high-quality services, and provide valuable insights for optimal PCB assembly. Additionally, providing clear documentation and creating feedback loops is vital for ensuring a successful PCB assembly process and efficiency. Implementing these tips can result in efficient PCB assembly production, reduced costs, higher quality products, and faster time to market. Imagineering specializes in rigid and flex double-sided and multi-layered PCBs, offering same-day turnaround for prototyping and production in as few as 7 days. Click the link in the description to learn more about our services and request your free quote.